Arabia. Let's try and understand what exactly does this mean for business. We've got Rohan Mittal, the head strategy and business growth at GCC, and Skandaprasad Seetharaman, the CFO at WABAG, joining in on the show right now. Gentlemen, both of you, thank you so much for your time. Skanda, if I could start off with you, this recent LOA that you've secured, orders worth about $30 to $75 million from Saudi Arabia as of yesterday. Additionally, you also emerged as a preferred bidder in Saudi Arabia, whose value is undisclosed so far. Tell me, where does this take your entire or total order book to?
Yeah, good morning, Aisha. Good morning, Harsh. Thank you for having us on our show. We closed Q2 with over 16,000 crores, and that continues to grow with this order. And the pipeline also looks very good in terms of both the Middle East, Africa, as well as India and rest of the world. I'll let Rohan talk you through the aspects around yesterday's release in terms of the Jouf order, as well as the large order that we have been placed as preferred bidder. Rohan.
Good morning to everyone. Good morning to you, Aisha. Thanks for having us on the show. So we have bagged recently two LOAs, one where we have been a preferred bidder and one LOA. The LOA is from SWA. This is for a very advanced technology where we are not only just focusing on municipal, but bagging advanced technology projects. So this is a project with ceramic filtration and removing of, we remove a lot of rare elements from it. The second one, project, STP, where this is backed by a developer consortium consisting of Metito Utilities, Etihad Water, and Skybridge, where we are exclusive partner with them. That makes us a preferred bidder for this project.
Could you give me a ballpark figure as to where your total order book currently stands at, Rohan?
So as we speak, we are sitting at 16,000 crores. This will increase it slightly, maybe somewhere around 16,400 crores.
That's quite interesting. But Rohan, tell me, both these last orders are from Saudi Arabia. What are the opportunities that you're seeing emerge from this region in particular?
See, Saudi is expanding. There are new cities that are being developing. The focus on more sustainable reuse, recycle, Riyadh Green initiatives. There are many of such initiatives that have been coming in the kingdom. So that's where, we see a lot of focus on water, especially with the FIFA. That would also kick in. So we are seeing a lot of, sustainable water projects that have been coming in the kingdom. Whether it's Aramco, even Aramco is expanding their utilities. So we see a lot of a strong order book. As we speak, in Saudi alone, we are working on bids of $1 billion.
That's interesting. Any sort of timeline where you think you will have a handle on where this $1 billion bid is actually going to move or head?
See, a general bidding time we see is 4 to 5 months. And from post that, it goes to various ministries where this generally post that takes another 3 to 4 months. But as we have given, we are already placed well in 3,000 crores of order book. So these orders we'll be picking up as we move along.
Quite interesting. Skanda, give us some color on what the order pipeline is looking like for the remaining half of the fiscal, and what is the overall outlook as we step into the new calendar year?
See, we've given a more medium-term guidance already, where we have said we will keep our order book at over 3x of our revenues. We are well over 4x of revenues as we speak. We've also said that we are placed well in orders of over 3,000 crores. As Rohan mentioned right now, we are in various stages of bidding for projects worth over $1 billion in the Middle East and many more across the world, whether it is Africa, Southeast Asia, the CIS countries where we are developing these markets. So we are very confident of meeting the medium-term outlook that we have given, both in terms of margins, order book, as well as cash. So right now we are sitting at 16,000 crores. We would expect that by the end of the year, it will be much higher than this only.
Interesting. Rohan or Skanda, the question is open. Any of you can answer that. I also wanted some perspective on the ultra pure water or the UPW opportunity in particular. Semiconductors, solar, they're clearly key focus areas for you all, with strong traction now building in India as well. Shed some color on the size of this opportunity or how big it could turn out to be given your leadership in the industry.
See, Aisha, this is a decadal view that we are taking on this. It's not a 1 or 3 year kind of view. Whether it is semiconductor, high purity water, whether it is for solar, where we have already secured 2 orders, whether it is hydrogen, which is the future energy. This is going to be the future in terms of industrial orders. And it's not just going to be India-led. I think globally, this is focusing. Maybe Rohan, you could take us through something in the Middle East that this is the...
So, Aisha, as we speak, we are doing a study for a big project in the green hydrogen in the region with a partner. So we see a lot of traction, especially gaining in the Saudi, near the west coast. And also there are a few projects that are coming up in Oman, which we are eyeing for, and we are looking very bullish to at least gather a few. But today, as we speak, on a large scale, we don't see this. But yes, this is a niche industry where we like to see more bottom line, where technology is required, where we excel at. This is something that, we are always having an eye out to take more and more as we move along.
Interesting. So, Skanda, in your con call, you've mentioned that you're a preferred bidder for an order worth about 3,000 crore rupees. Just give me some color. What is the progress on this particular order?
So it is not a order, it is multiple orders, over 3,000 crores. You've already seen us announce one of those, which is a mega order in the Middle East. There are a few more orders where we are placed well, which we will see over the next months and quarters that we will announce. And we are very bullish about closing this year on a very strong footing.
You're also net cash positive for an 11th consecutive quarter now. How sustainable is this?
I think history speaks. You have seen us delivering last 5 to 6 years net cash positive. We have grown from being 100 crore net cash positive to a close to 700 crore net cash positive. We have grown on bottom line, we have grown on order book, and now with the kind of order book that we have, the top lines will also grow, and so will the cash. Because our focus has been delivering profitable growth and something that is backed by cash. And we have focused on that significantly, and the result is for you to see 11th consecutive quarter and a 6th consecutive year that we are in net cash. So it is going to be sustainable, and that is going to be the core of our strategy even going forward.
Good to hear that. But thank you both of you for your time today, and here's wishing you a very happy and prosperous 2026.
Thank you. Wish you a happy new year too.
Wish you a happy new year too. Bye-bye.
Thank you. Bye.